Hey guys, this is just a quick video. This is a piece of driftwood that I found at the beach yesterday. It's really dry, light, soft western red cedar. So I just took some photos when I was doing the carving. You know, these last couple days I kind of wanted to do some more quality kind of carvings than just blasting off the typical wood spirit. You know, and I just wanted to mix the wood spirit up with like the flower. I was trying to go for the Viking look, but I don't know if it turned out the way in the end. But anyways, check it out. Hope everybody's doing good. And you guys send me pictures of your new carvings. Doesn't have to be wood spirits anymore. Any new carvings that you do, send me the pictures and I'll put you in the new wood spirit videos. And don't forget to enter the contest. I'm not too sure about the flower on his head. Why don't you guys let me know in your comments what you think? Like what about if I cut it off right here and just leave this part? Then I could gift that flower away to somebody else or something. I don't know. I don't know if it goes hand in hand. Here's some of the cement succulent plant holders that I did.
Be gone with you! We do not carve goddamn flowers at Carving Fusion. Now do we? We do not. Much better.